and said, "There were two women, and each had a son along with her. A wolf came and carried away the son of one of them. So one of them said, 'The wolf has carried your son,' whereas the other said that the wolf had taken away your son. They took their dispute to Hazrat David alayhi salam. He alayhi salam gave the decision in favor of the older woman. Thereafter both went to Hazrat Solomon, the son of David alayhi salam, and notified him of the case. He said, 'Bring me a knife so as to cut the child into two equal pieces to give each of you.' The younger lady said, 'May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu shower His mercy upon you. Don't do that. It is her son.' So he gave the verdict in favor of the younger lady. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu says, 'I first time heard the word sakin on that very day. Otherwise we would call a knife al-mudiyah.' Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 3427.